so I have a quick project share, and this is of a little mini album that I made, and it is for one of my dear friends just had her first baby boy, and I wanted to make something very special for him, and so I made a little album. So I just wanted to show you guys, and if you're interested, like if enough of you say you want a tutorial, maybe I'll try to make a tutorial for it. It took me quite some time, so it wouldn't be like a necessarily short tutorial, but I did this all myself. I didn't follow any tutorials for this. I kind of just used the paper that I had and just did all the flips and all the things. So anyway, here's the front cover, and I used a collection by Echo Park. So it was super cheap. It was on one of those really like amazing deals, and it's called Special Delivery Baby Boy. So this is the sticker album, and actually this sticker album comes with 16 pages, so it's 8 unique sheets times 2, and I'm actually giving her a whole set of 8 of the sticker sheets, so that after she puts pictures, if she wants to like add stickers on top of them, she can. And something else that I'm kind of giving her, because sometimes I feel like sometimes, you know, not everybody knows how to use mini albums like we do, is I cut like some sample like backings, because I don't want to like tell her what kind of pictures, but I'm gonna show her like, you know, what kind of option she has in terms of some of the photos. So I'll show you that in a second. So anyway, here's the front. I use this really cute paper from the collection. I ordered this, almost this entire album was made with just the mega pad, which is like the card making. So it was just a 6x6. And then I bought a few sheets of 12x12 just because I knew I was going to want to do the cover. And then I bought the sticker book, the chipboard, and that's it. The whole album was made with that. So anyway, here is the side. And I actually did this spine. I said this in my last tutorial that I'm only doing my spines in fabric now because I just feel like the paper is always cracking. So I have all this chipboard and some of the little adhesive brads. I forgot I did get those too. And then on the back is just plain. And I just put my little maker's mark so that he remembers that his Auntie Lisa made this for him. So anyway, this is a die that is typically used for Valentine's Day. And Anne, who's Crafty Kimchi, had all of us buying this die on Temu. But I used it for this, and I just used some chipboard, some of the adhesive brads, and that's it. That's what I basically made the whole entire album out of. So the cover is made with chipboard, and well, the whole outside is made with chipboard, and I just covered this in fabric. Okay, so this is kind of moving around, but I did put some little cut-aparts in here. So I put some tags and some journaling cards and some cut-aparts for pictures. I also put this big cut-apart, and on the back I use stickers that say like delivery day, name, date, time, place, weight, and length. I just kind of put that. I backed some gingham paper, and then I put these little stickers so that they can kind of make a little card of all his info. Chipboard here, a little pocket. His name is Cairo Jace, so I put that there. And then this I did actually put a photo mat because I figured they want to put his like newborn pictures. I know he had his pictures taken already, so they probably will want to start it with this. So then this album has 4 different signatures. Each of the first 3 signatures are for his thirds of life. So I have the first 4 months in this one, the second 4 months, and then the third 4 months. And then I left the last signature for all the pictures from his first birthday. And I kind of notated that. And of course I'm going to tell them, but you're going to see in a second. I kind of showed them like, okay, this is where everything goes. So let me just see what you can see. All right, make sure that I'm not out of frame here. All right, perfect. So this is page 1. When you open it, you see this here. It says month 1. And then on this side over here, this says newborn. So this is for a little newborn shot, another one, or some, maybe a few pictures. And that's why I did this, because like if she wants to kind of map out what the photos will look like, she'll be able to do that. Like she could fit 4 pictures here. She could do like 4 of them in this direction, or maybe she could do like 2, you know, 3x5. So that's kind of why I cut this out for her, so that she has, you know, just some little options so that she can print the pictures like and know, you know, what's gonna fit. So anyway, okay, so I did a little thing here with just stickers from the collection and chipboard. That is what I use to decorate everything. So this is stickers and chipboard. This says month 1. This is magnetized, so this flips up, but it has the, you can hear the magnet. And then this is month 2 on here. So month 1 can have more than one picture because it can have this and this. And then month 2 is right here. These albums are hard to show on camera. It opens up, there's just blue there, and then I did this plaid. This says month 3. So that is what that is for. And then on the back here, it opens up like this, and then this is another area. I put month 1 again here, so she can put month 1 stuff here. I put month 2 right over here, and then month 3 right here again. Actually, this is 5 signatures, so it's each quarter, and then the last one is for his first birthday. I think I misspoke earlier. Okay, so then I made this. These are magnetized as well, so these flip downward. Down here and here says month 4. So both of these are for month 4. When you come up here, these are for month 5. And then in here, I left it so that they could put whatever they want in here. It doesn't necessarily have to be month 6. I use stickers and line the whole bottom of this. And then I put, like, you know, obviously little decor pieces on these flaps. And then back here, they could put like month 6. So this is just a little border, a little sticker right here. This opens up, and then I have month 6 right here. And then of course they can put whatever they want here. And then this opens up, and then this paper is so pretty. So over here, I just have a border. And of course, all of this closes up. And then this I thought was really cute. So this is his name again. And these, I actually magnetized these, and I wanted a way to use the 2x2 cut apart. So if she wants to put little 2x2 pictures, she can. So these all open up, and the magnet from this one snaps onto the magnet from here too. So it kind of keeps it open. And then these close up. At first I did it, and there was no magnet, and it was just like, it wasn't staying closed, so I magnetized each one. And I get my magnets, the link for my magnets is always in the description bar. I get them on Amazon super cheap, so that I can use them, you know, to my heart's delight. Then you open this up right here. So these are mirrored pages, so then they both open. And on this side, it says welcome baby. And on this side, it says sleep tight little one. And then these open up again. Right here, I used a lot of stickers. This says month 7, month 8. Right here says month 9. Here says month 10. And then here says month 11. Those snap closed. And then this is month 12 right here. So this flaps up. So this is month 12. So he could put his little first birthday picture here. But then I put a little thing here that says, let the adventure begin. I have all these stickers, and this whole signature is just for his first birthday because I know them. I'll likely help with making decorations for the party. So I know that he'll have a big first birthday. So I did put some more cut aparts here, and I put some in this pocket in case they want to add more pictures, but they can put pictures here. They also have this whole area, and I put a belly band here and some more cut aparts so that they can put as many pictures as they want. And this is again where having this comes in, because like if they want to do something like this, or they, you know, they want to do something like this, they have the 4x6 options. I also, you know, they could turn it in this direction. So this kind of helps them. And then in the back right here, I put a little envelope because you know how they get the little bracelet when he's born that's on their ankle. They could put all their keepsakes in here. His first haircut, I keep those kind of things. Even you know, like a little piece of his little first lock of hair or whatever. We do that kind of stuff. So anyway, I just put that there so they can keep some stuff. And then I just have some more cut apart, some chipboard here, and then that's it. That's the end of the album. So I think they're going to be so happy with it. They're very much picture people, so I know that they'll I don't like to make mini albums for people that I know won't use them, but I know that they'll use it, and I know they don't have one. And then he has 2 big sisters, so I made the girls little promotion gifts. So I made them these fabric. I've covered notebooks and fabric. You guys know I love notebooks. Put their little initials. Then made them 2 beaded pens because I know beaded pens are all the rage. This is in one of the little girls' school colors, and then this is just a pink one, and I made one for both of them. So everybody's getting gifts from Auntie Lisa. So anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about this, and if you'd want a tutorial, if you let me know. If enough of you say you'll want one, it'll take me so long, but I'll do it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.